guys, so as you saw in previous video, I played a prank with Hitansh, and so now again these are the slides, water slides, and again I'm going to play a prank on Hitansh. So basically, come with me. So this is one of the dangerous slides. It is going to end over there. Can't say dangerous, but it's kind of scary. Come. But it's kind of scary. So you know, whenever we do this Wakanda Forever and we go down, it will go in very fast speed. Okay. So I'm going to send Hitansh through this, and I'm going to tell it's very fun. But unfortunately, it will not be fun. So let's see now what will Hitansh say about it. Oh, hi Hitansh.
Hello.
So come with me. So we'll take that. Guys, he's falling into the trap. So move. So this is Hitansh, guys. Today he's going to have a fun ride with this red one.
Why?
So Hitansh, sit over here. Sit. Just sit. It's very fun. Sit. You know. No. I will not. Do you know Wakanda Forever? Do it and go through it. Wakanda Forever. Chalo, go Wakanda Forever. Guys, so basically he's going down, and now the pressure is too hard. Now you'll be able to see him over there coming out. Oh my god. Now let's see if he's angry. Is he happy? Guys, he's coming up. Maybe he's very angry. So let's see what will be his reaction.
Bhavya, you did this to me. You said it was fun, but it is scary. Now you should go there.
It's fine, I'll not go.
Why?
Okay.
Go! You go! Go fast!
Without Wakanda Forever.
With Wakanda Forever.
Wakanda Forever.
Alright guys, now he's gone. I'll run and go to down. Wait. Okay guys, I came down. Arey, he did not come till now. Where is he? Where is he? I went very fast, but he did not come till now. Where is he? Arey? Okay, I'll do you a favor and stop until he comes. Okay, so he came very slow. पकड़ो. मेरी बनाओ.
बंद कर सकते हो वीडियो. अब रुको. Guys, again I have to run for my life. Bye.